afternoon. We are here for the practical of subject Metrology and Quality Engineering. In this, we are going to perform 5 experiments, out of which the first experiment is study and application of profile projector. Projector had following parts: projector with light source, condenser, collimating lens to direct the light pass path into optical system, suitable work holding table which may be fixed or movable, screen where the image of the workpiece is projected and where measurement and comparison are made, projection optics including tooth mirror and lenses, projection lenses, measuring devices. A good optical projector, it should be having a precise optical system, means for precise mechanical measurement. This function can be performed using these anvils. For the profile projector, this is a starting switch with the help of which machine can be operated. The next part is surface and contour. In the surface section, we can check out the surface functions of the component, where in the contour section we can follow the shadow line or the shadow part of the component. This is the intensity switch. Dependent on the intensity switch, we can focus or we can regulate the speed and light of that. This is the anvils, in which Y direction anvil and X direction anvils are the two important parts. The anvil help us in order to measure the distance between two pitch or distance between two crest or distance between two trough. This is a condensing lens onto which a component is placed, where the settings are made without disturbing the surface of the lens. This is a mirror, or you can say collimating lens, or you can say the profiles, where 10x, 20x or 100x zoom is possible. This lens senses the reflected light and projects toward the screen. This is an illuminating lamp into which a high and sharp node of rays is provided onto the components so that they can be clearly seen. This is a part of profile projector where the actual image of the surface or the contour are shown. Then this is adjustable, onto which you can see the lines x-axis and y-axis are moving. You can set up the lines, with the help of that, and you can make clearer objects. Again, this is a clips into which you can fit the paper and you can have the drawing. So this is all the general structure of the profile projector. Now we will shift to the procedure part of the profile projector. Let us start with the procedure part. First, clean the workpiece with brush. Remove any dust particle or oil or burr using petrol or small sort of thinner. Place the job on coordinate table, taking care it will not scratch up the glass. Switch the rocket selector on contour position. We will get a rough image of the workpiece. With the help of focusing screen, move to the coordinate table until you get the sharp image of the job on the screen. Match cross hairline with one edge of the shadow and note reading of the micrometer anvils. Match the same line with other edge of the shadow and note the reading of the micrometer. Difference in two reading is the dimension of the workpiece. Now same system can be applied for the surface projection. Thank you.